My name is Alex Reshetnichenko, and I am a violinist. I've been in Dougherty County since 1999, and I'm teaching in school system since then. Originally, I'm from Moldova Republic. Both my parents were musicians, and my sister as well. I started when I was actually 6 years old. You can create sound from nothing, basically. It's only 4 strings, 4 notes. And from there, you can do everything. The whole bone was shattered completely there. It was just accident. I was falling on my head, so in order to protect the head, my left hand went this way. And then I look, my finger is hanging. It was completely broken. When you think that you're not going to be able to play ever, it hit me immediately. I got scared to death. Then I started looking for somebody to fix it. So I was looking online. I thought to go to New York. I was calling people who knew what surgeon can do that. And then suddenly, Dr. Nearby, the way he approached it, and as a doctor and as a human being, he understood how important it to me. That's what I needed. The surgery was successful, and I am able again to play my violin the way I played in past and better. I had a recital in 2019 at ASU. And the last piece I dedicated to him. I dedicated because it was Flight of the Bumblebee, which requires extremely fast fingers. Definitely would recommend Dr. Nearby to anybody. And now I know that if something else is going to happen, I can count on Phoebe.